Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and this is the look I created today. I used the same palette like yesterday with different colors. I really like this look. It's lilac with like brown, and then you got like a berry reddish color on your lip, and I like it so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video, and if this is your first time, my name is Alma and I love creating different makeup looks. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Everything will be listed on the bottom. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Enjoy my video. Hi everybody and welcome. Here we are on another video, and here we go. So my foundation, the same one I've been using. My primer, the same one from Wet n Wild. Okay, so Fit Me Matte Poreless. I prepped my lids already, and the concealer, that I used was Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I put it on my lid and I set it with this powder by Wet n Wild that I really like so far. Okay, today I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna create, but I know what kind of colors I want to use, and I will be using the same palette just because there's more different colors to work with. You know, it's not just like fall, you can also do summer and spring, anything, right? Like I see all that in this palette, all the seasons to work with. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this color called Dijon. This one right here, it's like a mustard brown, and I'm gonna use this brush right here. It doesn't have a name, but it's like a stiff brush, and I'm gonna put that on my crease, right about there. Okay, so I placed that color on both my lids. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's right here. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna get this color. It's like a light brown called Sandy Bum. This one right here. I'm gonna get that color on my brush and place it right there on my crease, same area, right on top of that other light color. But with this color, since it's a little darker, I will make the outer V with it. Give it a little bit of depth, whatever. And it is another hot day here in California, so my air conditioner is gonna be going on and off. I got Lily here sitting in the background with a blanket. She loves the blanket. I don't know, it's a baby thing. She's watching her little show. Okay, so now that we placed it on both, see how I go a little bit past my brow? I mean, you can always correct it. You know what? I'm gonna get this flat rounded brush, and I'm gonna use this color Canvas, and I'm gonna place that all over my lid. Okay, I know I'm going back and forth with this, but bear with me. I'm creating as I go. This wasn't really a planned look. I just know what kind of colors I want to use, but I don't know how. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same, actually, you know what? I'm gonna get a smaller brush. It's like this. This one's by Real Techniques, called the Crease Essential Crease Brush. And I'm gonna get a darker color. I'm just trying to decide which one, because we got coconut and then we got cacao. This one's deeper, this one's a little more just brown. Let's try the cacao. I'm just dabbing it on my brush, okay? Tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna move in the outer V part of my eye. I'm gonna do that on both sides. Okay, so I placed it on both my eyes, and now I will grab, with this round flat brush, I'm gonna get the Tropicana. I don't know why, but I want to use that color with this look. See how it's gonna come out. But I'm gonna place it right there I'm gonna do it all over the lid, just all over. It's like a lilac purpley color, like a light purple. Really pretty color. Okay, so I placed that color on both my lids now, and I am going to go in with this color called Disco. It's very glittery. It almost looks iridescent, but it's a really pretty color. I used it earlier this week on one of my makeup looks for work, and I like the way this color came out. Okay, so I'm gonna spray that color just to bring it out a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna place it over that purple. See how beautiful it is? Can you guys see it? Okay, and now I'm gonna get this brush by MAC 224. It doesn't have anything on it. I'm just using it to diffuse all the edges and making sure everything's nice and blended, including this purple in with the brown, making sure it's all blended in well. And now I'm gonna get that color Canvas. It's like my skin tone color, and I'm gonna place it as a highlight underneath my brow on both sides. Okay, so now I am going to get my smudge brush, my cute little tiny smudge brush by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna get that, instead of cacao, I'm gonna get the coconut color, and I'm gonna place it out here on the bottom lashes, really close to my lashes, on the outer part of my eye. And connect it with the outer V, and you can also pull it out a little bit. We can also get the tiny little blending brush to diffuse it and make sure I got a little bit of that color, and put it out in the outer V just to bring out that color. Pull it out a little bit on the outer part. And right now what I'm doing, whatever's left with this tiny brush, I'm just smoking it out, making sure it's blended and diffused. Okay, now I'm gonna get a different smudge brush. This is not the same one, and just because I just don't want to mix the colors, I need to clean the other one. But anyways, I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna put that Disco, and that one's gonna go in my inner part of the eye like this, in the very like the inner part of my eye only. I'm making sure it's nice and spread out. You know what, I decided to use that same brush. I'm gonna go in with Sea Salt, and it's like a white, this one right here, the shimmery white one. It's called Sea Salt. Same thing, spray it, and I'm just using that for my inner corner. I don't know if you can, I don't know if it's gonna be noticeable, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah, it is noticeable. Okay, just want to show you what I just decided to add right now. I got this little tiny itty bitty little brush, okay? I'm getting this color, it's called Sip Sip. It's like this turquoise glittery color. Put it on my brush. I'm spraying it with my setting spray, and I'm just creating like a highlight on the top part right here. And it blends really well. It goes really well with you see how, I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Sometimes I feel like the camera doesn't do justice on some colors. But anyways, I'm putting it right here just to bring out some of that blue like pop. you know, like a pop of blue. So this look can go, we can do a nighttime look, you know. I'm gonna add this Nightlife dark color. It's the darkest color in the palette, it's black. And I'm just gonna line up, it's the same little tiny brush, I just cleaned it really well. And place it right there to line the bottom lash line, the outer part. And here, let me get some more, put it on my other eye. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. So with the eye brush, I'm just pulling out the color like that, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna buff it out or anything, just pull it and leave it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes and mascara is are on, and I tight lined a little bit, like right there on my inner, what is this, lid part. And the mascara that I used today is this one by Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift. And oh my god, I had such a hard time with these lashes. Sometimes I have a good moment and sometimes I don't. I use the Kiss lashes. These are Shy by Kiss. They're really, really pretty. I like how they're longer on the outside slightly. She won't let me comb her hair. But anyways, they're a little slightly longer in the outside than the inner part of the eye. And I think they look really, really pretty and very natural. And this is how the box looks. Okay, so let's move on. Concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind under the eye. And you know what, I was just thinking about something. I keep forgetting to put mascara on the bottom lashes. Yes, baby. Okay, so there, I put my concealer, and I'm using my sponge by Real Techniques to blend everything in. Anyways, like I was saying, mascara under my bottom lashes. I am sorry, I keep forgetting. It's because I see that, you know, the eyeshadow already kind of brings out the dark part, and I just don't, I overlook it. I just don't think it needs it. Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna set all the concealer areas with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm gonna use this sponge, and I gotta wash it again. Tap off the excess a little bit and place it underneath my eye. Oh my god, what's falling here? Like, I don't know if it's the mascara, I doubt it, or the lash glue. I don't know. I have good moments with the lashes, and then I have bad ones. I try my best. And I'm gonna run this down the middle of my face, the center of my face. Okay, so here we go for a bronzer. Bronzer. What am I can't even today. Honestly, I'm super hot with the lights. I feel like the air is not enough, and we're at 94 degrees right now, so I'm like out of it. The bronzer. And here we go. So I'm gonna tap off a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer. I really like it. It's a really good product. And yesterday I had a little gathering with my family, and it was really nice. The gathering, beautiful. All my girls were here, my sister, my daughter, the oldest, the baby, my mom, and it was really, really nice. And my makeup was on all day, and it looked like I just placed it the same the same as when I first put on my makeup. Did not move, except for my lipstick because I was eating, but everything was intact. These lights are hot. I swear I'm sweating already. So I'm tapping it on the back of my hand. I'm getting more, tapping it in the back. I got both sides of my cheeks. I'm gonna place a little bit on the bottom of my chin. Also with the tummy tuck thing, I am so excited for this appointment that I'm about to have. I just want to ask him more about it, and he told me, like, if you gotta talk to me again, call me, let's meet up and let's go through your concerns and everything. And I'm like, yes, of course. But I was waiting for a perfect timing to do that, money wise, everything. I have to set my mind to. Okay, I had to let my hair down. It looks really nice today. It's a bit wavy because I put it up in a bun, and then I put a bonnet on to go to sleep, and it just comes out like this, wavy. But anyways, I'm gonna use the Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. I'm starting to feel the cool air now, so I'm feeling a little more calmer. This is the Real Techniques brush. It's very old and beat up. And I'm gonna dab some Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC and just dab it all over my face. Let's not forget the bottom lashes. Okay, and for the cheeks, I'm gonna use this blush by Wet n Wild. It's called Pearlescent Pink. It's a soft color, perfect for this look. Place it on my cheeks and on my temples. Okay, and for the lips, let me just remove some of the lip oil. But for the lips, I was thinking of using this color called Fantasy by Milani. And it's a pretty red, like a deep red. Okay, this color is very glossy. Or is it because it's hot? I swear, dude. And it goes really beautifully with this purpley brown look. Wow. Okay, so for the finishing touch, let me get my setting spray. Okay, and my setting spray is by Milani. Okay, everybody, and this completes my look. I hope you guys like my tutorial for today. This is a beautiful lilac, shimmery lilac with brown, and then you got the red, kind of like a berry lipstick color. Yes. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe. Everything will be on the bottom. My Instagram, my TikTok. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much.